This is where we discuss matters arising in the UK, legal matters. My name is MC Chaka. I'm proud to be the host of this insightful and educative program. We bring this program to you on Thursdays and Wednesdays. Lawyer has already covered the English version on on Tuesday. So tonight we're going to do the Twi version. Please make sure you share the program when you receive the link. This program is going to be on our YouTube channel, CITI Media TV, and of course Facebook, CITI Media TV, and it'll be powered through Solicitors Thomas Benyo's private Facebook page. Tonight's topic is very unique, and as I always say, we discuss topics that will be beneficial to people, especially from the African community. We've all noticed that after the Brexit, a lot of people are getting detained anytime they want to come back. They travel outside and they want to come back to the UK. They get detained for unnecessary reasons. Some of them could be unlawful detention. And of course, when even they are released, they get their documents seized or they are given some bail conditions which makes them ineligible to work in this country. So for instance, if you've been in the UK for years, you've obtained your documents under the EEC route or any other means, and you want to go for holidays, coming back at the airport, you could be detained. And if you are granted bail, it comes with certain bail conditions that would affect you and the rest of your family. These bail conditions could be restrictions from not working in the country, or it could be tax, or it could be anything. But most importantly, we're going to discuss the employment bit of the conditions. A lot of them are unlawful, and lawyer Thomas Benyo from City Law Solicitors will be here tonight with us to explore all these conditions, to highlight why they are not unlawful, and the remedies, what can be done when you are confronted with such situation. So please, it's very important. It can happen to anybody. So make sure you share this program. Make sure you invite your friends, your family, everyone to benefit from this educative program. This is where we discuss legal matters. And as lawyers always say, we are here to talk about the law. We are here to talk facts, not fiction. So please, it's going to be in Twi, and along the line we open the phone lines for our viewers to call in and ask any question of their choice. So the question should not specifically be directed to the topic tonight, but it could be any other area at all. So please make sure that obviously if you have any question that you need some answers to, you're gonna have to call, and lawyer will be very nice to answer your questions for you. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you for sharing this program, and I hope people that will be on board with us will of course throw some comments for me to acknowledge them. So lawyer will be joining me very soon, but I'll do another introduction in Twi because we're gonna do it in Twi tonight. So lawyer will join me very soon. And for any ashefo me cheche mo nyina me mamu nyina adwo musomfo MC Chaka ana mabetra medwam ene esane mo kasei ene be hye mo bi mu ana tititia City Law Solicitors adaroma free legal advice a mo de maye no ene ho dwumadi ana ye ba bedie ene ye be kasa fa immigration ho immigration be bia ye be kompa eye omo a ye be mo bail immigration bail na yedi condition bi aka ho say mpo omuntimi nya adwuma make say na nipa no timi ya adwuma sakra no wotu kwa me ya che no ana bibia oye bia na bibia oye adwuma nemo wotu kwan wako Ghana na bibia oba na afi ya sonimu ya je ne passport na is immigration for na be you know so be follow ya ama akọ tribunal na ye dia to so say ontimi nya adwuma until say ebia be ye ne hwehwe mu na wie ibu ha che ebitimi credit film you know na yemfrɛ wo anase hwehwe mu nti we nyina ya ade bi a lawyer any city law for adwo say e di amonfo nya amonfo de abeda ne bebre nti na ye betwetwe ho nkomo ama lawyer a chechire mu na lawyer mama nya no asotre say yi masotre say enkrofo bebre anase cases bi wo hono mo a omafasa akonya na so enso mo di bem mo di nkonim enti nyina so wo ho say mpo say ye kase ma wo nya adwuma betim no my treatment ama nkodimdie ayodea enti ene dwumadie no eye ti ye be kasa afa immigration ho na ya kasa afa bail conditions inimbremu bail conditions just entwasomo ene ho nkomo ana city law for lawyer Thomas Bebe na Daroma one ye ebabe enti bebia obi a de jebre na frɛ wunua bi frɛ wo maame frɛ wadamfo bi na mo nyina mo mahwɛ dwumadi na dwumadi na enkoso na bibia enkoso echeche mo nyina free studio mo hanom na so wo hwɛ me so a na wa ma comment sɛ de be ya metimi abodi na mo sɛ wo hwɛ me ye dwumadi no kodrum pempen so ba bia e bibie phone lines atom nti wo a question bi a kyerɛ wadwen so no wo betimi afrɛ na obusa o question indeed for the ahwefo and we try me ho abasisi a lawyer ebobo no ho na afi ye djumadi no ahyehye so beda mo nyina wase se mo agebre na obema djumadi akoso be basisi a pacho menko bebia beba any ahwefo ma mo nyina adwo CITI Media TV so near from MC Chaka. I'm a medical introduction no. And so I feel now watch me and I feel what journey a neju medino CITI Media the Bremo Liga our CITI Law Solicitors now so ya seno no na and the Bremo. Me church will be a baby will be a she be a mom watch chine benche nyina me church am. And the topic no 8 hour the topic no mu hwam ne mu do pa so ye. Mbempi no ya na nkrofo tu kwan na omo ba omedru airport no na ya che wo na afei obroni be se detain wo mo e behwem no na e bi kra be court ana say do me to detention no be apply bail na afei omo a yesi ja wo mo amoma be fie na e de nhyehyɛ eto ho any friends bail conditions no you want to be brave na omotime de to so na e bi mpa bia o family o wona yire ne ma wo hwe wo mo no e di condition atoso se ontimi nya adwuma ko se bia ne hwehwe mu no ana se e be wie ne case no e ade bia e ha adwene yi papa because mremo no se omo akomu a ho se e bi wo ho no a condition bi o ne de to mu a e na enye boni be se e unlawful e illegal ni ko se eba e so so mo de ato intine lawyer Thomas Bebenyo na daroma obeka yensa e ofidua ma na yene ne betwetwe komo afa ho ne yon conditions no say the city e yon adentini masa condition your question the brewa e bebu sa lawyer na answer ne be sa no se wa se wo hwe a wo be share program yi amaye se ne be ya unua bi benya program ho mfaso program ye yan podcast am yi ni tree ntiem se ya free Ghana na de nyina obi a beti ase na mum so ope brofo de no etia lawyer di kan ye dada oye ne brand etwam ya no nti you call CITI Media TV hono mo a obo se e wo hono mo betimi ahwe and now call your personal page Solicitors Thomas Bebenyo the page o Facebook ho and also so ubenya na wahwe nti sabrede obi anje bre na monyi makonya na moma intie ne ekoso e wo mramu na lawyer de otumre a no achesie nti ene ibebusa the questions ama wacheche mu e was bail conditions ho any detention for a face so jodi ne koso ano ye be phone lines atum na obi bia motimi afre na mo busa question bia e kire mo adwen bia CITI Law Solicitors tie omu yakukudam menim sa question bia say omu di hu dwuma nko ade a lawyer wa haide ubinya wansa we free legal advice men kutueska enkojesa advice binya no frenchem na odiabo kutudwem it is abem be lawyer akwaba na yedi dwumade no ahyehyɛ so we da bunyina mase samaje bre na dwumade yi ekoso all right lawyer Thomas Bebenyo CITI Law me akwaba stronko eba dwumade so let us say lawyer
we are chaka mejo na media che mujari dia we see na just say una piano awade o mudie na just say vadana na eda na se didi kan ye de aseda ma atiefo ne ahwefo ina na bia obi a so no ye de ho enchia ema ho
yo lawyer atiefo so da wase se abredi nyina no wadaji papa bi se nkaja lawyer for de mukasa wana wabia kra na iska nko a neso so otu wo so se de bia wo de beche na ebenada yawada wa na wo ma advice na wo de chekwa no em se ya de a etifu ani so papa enti etu ho che adwuma also tu ho ne odwuma fo mo ye no e da mo ase nyame nhira mo e wo sa adwuma na mo ye no e da mo ase pa yo lawyer me twaswa na ene question topic me hu ina say a topic here em say idea anti because me cramente you know me nipa menu me nse bia sisi e me ka say ya to mo passport ato ho no mo a je say ya mo hyehyɛ bia ento aso mo ba kokora enti me hu ina say we dey e be bo pa because enkrofo ni ma ho enti se wo tu kwan na obeba na ani akwaji wani na obeba na bia ya kyewo kofo ni ma ho sa na the condition bi aba untimi nya adwuma but if say minya obi say benefits obi nsi torodo matwa be say me from one kasa di nti na ma na o choose topic is ye me discuss and I say ye me ma atifo ehu ne fire by
yo mini acha kam da wase the di kan ye hu say so wonte ya na just bia obusuamu no bi nto ni pakro no na program sometimes I'm getting a lot of clients how mo the cases ever me so say na ya mo share a program na oh minimum and the stress and comfort share because the adwuma brand makes me busy but sometimes you know say uti advice we so and also boa the tiana say men kan kwa no me cases be pray ya ho adwuma ya jomo buku agu no mo ye prese beje o ade amom ye wo mo ya twetwa mo krata ni nam say o mu tupa o mo ba enti ya na ye krata yi me kan esiso yi krata ya jama nkofo bebre last year up to June 2023 no mo 13 year mo na ye de e hu na say nkofo tupa na mo ba na ya jo mo krata na to so bi onkofa na yere mra onkofa ni kuruma na saade we na animre enu ntina me pese me tunko force efu na me kiro mo mra kwan no na hu se so mutukan na mo ba tumi bia ni wono mo se so mo jo mo kata di gu wono mo na omo de omo fa sa kwan no so na by the time I wan kasa nkofo dia wati no bi se me wan se I'm sure so bia beti bi no dia born it right.
That's a lawyer. Interview for not just a it is all share na watch your programming now face one comment say me do baby me read comments na matimi acknowledge you and ask my body it me sremo a wo share no my comment na fe watch share so ma no bi enya bi. All right, lawyer and then you beka bail conditions, immigration bail conditions na intimi ka bail condition wa bra more detention there because answer na you be more sa bail no immigration bill name the conditions no kwaba to no na you be a immigration funds account and also ma detain you under the immigration act enti you can say detention immigration detention me pacho chichim kakra the fire by and say
okay the edikan detention, you know, said the old year, oh yeah, will be our population officer, or very much away. Chrome was saying, no, human right or European Convention on Human Rights forbid, say, who be restrict to be the liberty, which is the freedom. And you know, say, who detain you be a will to me a mount quite say, which may detain me back on. And as I to me, and so, I bind it, say, at home. And you know, detention here obi a me fan say wo tukwan na wo ba na bia say enyaka say kina ha say ya na get some more exercise detention powers na sa powers no ye wo don show do a elapse say no esisa time na e say bi fufuro ekoso but it means say omo emrade bebre wono mo a omo mfa anya adwuma na am say nkofo nim mrade nti no e di tinkofo bebre enya
okay but I say watch him say omo powers say omo there is an name there's limitation and I say baby a za to me ne koduru na impo isa say amanfo nim nti no na omo go overboard na fi omo use enti yakoye nimu a grounds of ben ana if you can see mfui omo say po ese omotimi detaining for grounds pay what are their grounds say ultimately detaining for
now grounds no people na back to me boys afa mako
okay
emrano assistant bebre na we hwe mo ayo Immigration Act 1971 Schedule 2 yawo Immigration Act 1999, your Immigration Act 2016, which came into force 2018, January. But some way are very complex. So I'm sure we're slightly confused. Because I'm not my say, So obi any krata na some person find out so on krata it me detain you. After some hours and I say many pa kono bail. So obi ekuta krata na some person find out say on krata obey what they call examination. And also to me detain ni pa kono. And so a couple of hours I say detain ni pa kono. Say obi atukwan aba na mfa say ja wo de offer oda tree play no tamak no so and then there we are lucky we do have alive na uni passport uni ID bia etumi detain to find out why it intina omo musiki asala no mo fi boat ni mu ba no be una ya detain omo na take omo fingerprint because obi oba uni passport no asylum cases are meya Uni ufe Afghanistan or by uni IDBR.
Hey, what do you know?
Oh, yeah,
you,
you will be with Afghanistan by uni IDBR also no fee Afghanistan by no. If you know, no, into uni ID uni BBR, and none of take us on a cricket.
Wow.
I am and is that to me way in our Mahon Quine. My editing nkofo but to me no baby a pem na baby a pem no bo mo se na immigration officers no o mama na pem no mo no mo de harass nkofo
Martin Beda say yo nti ye say do baby a pem no na che say ye pese bring be explore and I say yenkom ye no mo suko kakra na ye hwe kwan ben so enema za detention e unlawful.
Good. Say, time here me ba say I say, and send me me kana me mrana na me kutu. And my name home office for communicate here. Case be a me my throw almost 3 letters. I'm getting frustrated because me kutu mrano extra mo say dey amoye no enye. And so day in day out no they can't answer because of any good reason be as there or more dey amoye no. Now, the starting point in the Ocean Immigration Act 1971, Schedule 2, Paragraph 16. Say obi atukwan na oba. Na say ni bakona be drew by air, which is what airplane na be see Heathrow. By sea, say be obi drew Birmingham Harbour. Immigration officers or more hono. Obo say omo mugina counter hono. Omo djuma na say under Schedule 2. Paragraph 16 of the 1971 Act no. Omo to me say on meji now. No be say Mr. Joseph Nikwe, your friend was saying, we did a better say. Omo here what they call examination to find out say when you nipa on a friend Mr. Joseph Nikwe nana. So we have science examination. I'm not say omo only 12 hours. It must not exceed 12 hours. This is the law. And John to me hold you for more than 12 hours. We will hold you for up to 24 hours. No more does it put more airport one. Now, Schedule 2, Paragraph 16 makes it clear that it should not exceed 12 hours. So if it's exceeding 12 hours, what do you do? Either somebody suspending it and calling leave, no. And I answer why I was examination area because I buy fee say 12 hours is enough. So my friend home office for one we issue grant and and are you saying it's 12 hours when we find examination? And it's 12 hours no. I buy my own coins out to me yes examination, you know. Now after 12 hours so why was examination area, you know. Now say a copase ni pa kono office and grant no enye papa and I say a what do you do? Either say, Uber continue detaining under different powers. Uber say, conform more airport, we don't go on my detention center.
Yeah.
Because 12 hours nature. You don't have powers to keep that person in that airport for more than that 12 hours.
Okay.
And as Uber suspended leave, no. Now be our man bail. Na bet me was a church and go for him.
Martin lawyer. That's say. For some fee and Oshemi and Oshe and then many lawyer Thomas Bebenyo from City Law Solicitors and you will feed him yeah Casa Afa immigration detention and bail conditions. Na MCMP na manfo tu kwan na omo ba. They say they are say na ya stop wo na behwe say ya detain no. Na say afi ya money bail na obehwem kwa na bail conditions obi a o ho na ne yere ne ma na on ne koba emo didi no de bibia to nse so ntimi nya adwuma kra na chese akoyi bibia ewo ho de asoshe abafie ene ho komo na ye twetwe a lawyer ato ne boss ichichi mu wodi ka cheche detention mu wodi ka cheche powers immigration for another home office for so metimi detain obi wodi ka cheche mu say mpono detention no our airport no more 12 hours maximum a pound one a unlawful. Now if you person trick quite no more yeah honey do we go to detention center. It is a full that's our share. Baby and ye drew near. Mr. Mubashamon be because they say being in our one crato unin crato unya quite obitu and our Ghana. Now corner woo bar. And so we know right and there is what to me says situation and as I look kutumwa and I'm pulling a be soup kutumwa futu I'll be to me and I'll quencher out of my uniano said the ya uncle can be uncle be manager too late into a sermon more share na share na drop a comment kakra me ready as an lawyer okay nana in the or say I am live. Nana, you are live. I can see that. Thank you very much for watching. Papa Kojubuate, DJ Papa. Papa Lupa Indicios di Papa C. Yes, my true raconteur is watching. Papa, Mechecheo. Sophia Eshon. Sophia is watching. And Sophia says, good evening, good men of the land. Good evening to you, Sophia. J. Emmanuel. Hey, Mr. J, my only Dubai burger. Mr. J is watching. Dora Frimpong was a good evening, Lawyer Thomas. Good job. Thank you very much, Dora. Nana Frima, I tell you, catch. I hope to be able to Nana Frima say, happy to be here. I've missed a lot. That's why I said, you tell catch. Please let's share. And Nana, your church here, I was saying. I can't say nearby Josephine Abuaji Meno. Mami Jo, the authentic mama. Josephine is watching life and colored. Good evening to you, Joe. Mechecha only ebusuafo Patrick Nana Poku Ajimai. Nana Poku Ankasa. Yes, no. Nana Mechecha. Nana Mechecha pa. Nana says Saminingo day here. That is him. The almighty Saminingo. I want pomlantia here back up. Saminingo Mechecha. Alright. Just say okay, thanks for the education us. That's right. Atakra Mary Akosa, hey, Mrs. Laboko, Atiko's wife, Mary, yeah, is the only grand neighbor Safuna, Mochele, was Scotland, Mochele, Monto, UK, Mochele. I say Atiko is watching live in Edinburgh. Atiko, and then we would get out this Sunday, me, I mean, oh, and then Yamia say, oh, family, Mary, and then crying in no. Moto na bibia ekoso munkoso na moshe more shadow coming on the way and Fred sorry was it sir all right Fred is watching appear Samuel appear please the students switching to tier 2 hey appear na say no questions but there you do have me do questions my pacho is it the me shadow kick why I grew up me lawyer until but that's what change detention because it can happen to anyone
yeah
sometimes me say I told that me ba e ko baby na ba omutime to toma no we say questions na dey e blue craft fingerprint bebam any those say na afi o mama wako ma witness a law wako France na oba omutime hold e kakra no mo we say questions because before say am be painting na aboasewa ejeje ne background no yin ni ato nchen because it could be say bia nkofo de yo tinye say bia omuo no mo say ho de there be ombehwehwe mu ahu say e bia na o picture na kwehye da so papa there so mo toto ano kakra it dey normal but e be unlawful when somebody detain you for more than 12 hours
so was
na just illegal at that point it will be unfair to the court dream na nyina yesua there all right lawyer yeah call immigration bail. And at what point Anna yetimi a grantee will be bail or immigration? You have got condition so now, but just give overview on the bail. No, say bail. No, at what point Anna yetimi a grantee will be bail by immigration?
Okay, so we share Immigration Act 2016. It came into force in 2018.
Okay.
Inti Osha Samrana Home Office or immigration officers or more powers so member bill.
Okay.
So omo deny will be bail if I go to the court immigration tribunal ekusiki bail. Now normally say you do up to more than 7 days, they do detention up to 7 days to 14 days corner. Beyond 14 days, who are right to ask for bail.
Okay.
So one winning it's an automatic right.
14 days.
That's right. And Sir bail, say Home Office focus on farm. There is a shifted burden. As someone proves any entire and someone the pay amount. Because remember, the only time I am out paying, protocol say when removal is imminent. Into the and I saying, so Home Office will be 2 more. We want date to be a person, no master date, removal date, such night the walk. We want time to be found. Because the reason I am more yes, I'm going for people where decided to be your but we say now set date. Date no do I am fanonko. Because someone set start date now. Lawyer to me the court immigration tribunal say look, what you think if more than necessary? It has so many bail. And if say who want kata who need kata and your miracle who are right to bail.
Okay.
Bail and say, but before I ever mount bail, and untina what's the about on per se?
Okay, that's fine. So you're concentrating on bail right now. Say what make application for bail? Now if your bail not refuse you. Now I call tribunal.
Yeah.
Why extend the application to tribunal? Say among share bail now. Now tribunal also no a refusal. What right again do you have?
Well, the right again I want to say I'm for one qua after days, another 14 days or within 28 days, you still have another right to make another bail.
Oh, okay.
Application.
And on make me a church or say ebia young grant you because of
ebia no much that we said sometimes we will go court tribunal na be a Home Office shall answer to date. Tiko judge magazu ko once date it is soon to be my way.
Yeah. That is for deportation as a
date for removal.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
That's That's right.
All right. Matthias say say no in the bail no ever say the bema na ye the mawa you say who dey jakwa inya na omo the conditions aka ho but you better to was not check bail conditions
yes
na type of bail conditions are a bit the aba
yes medical conditions and one sem but before medical conditions one sem my man and explaining the entire will be bail because the entire most of the conditions and you're like when say before I will be bail but you can't change under the schedule 1971 act say Obama will be bail after why is just the first 12 hours now why examination one and also suspending the balcony leave one guinea balcony carta no and found guono then castle man bail for 14 years you won't go for a job carta dear guono I am on bail. The question is to me bear now the man bail because in carta and one jet to one can say carta. The first point is as I was suspended nkrata na say professor na wo no say na so we am wo nti no ma suspend the professor no and say nkrata na wo no say na so we am wo nti no ma twa nkrata nim and because of that no mama obey
okay
won't you be nkrata biometric card and only ade e koso aye bufu kakakaka boys will be to kwan oba no margin the passport no margin the biometric card nobody at all no so money be a crime ban or them bail no. This is misapplication of the law. You cannot give bail without first suspending the existing leave or the valid leave or cancelling it or curtailing it or revoking it.
Okay, lawyer matter. Now, so revoke that's or the mawo crana say invalid.
Yes, because suspended we for example, so need ground because before obey revoke be grata answer and yes so easy. Because grata we gina mra so na e dem grata na de amano. And remember I said so more revoke or right to take you to the immigration tribunal.
Okay.
But me and I can you mu kasa be too go for ekokwam. Ayo mu kasa too much. Be kasa sa na mo asa yo mu grata no.
Omunya kodru ho da.
Sa ampopo nti omo kasa too much. Sometimes me case ni na me ya. It's very annoying. Ayo mu kasa.
Mate. Enti yanko bail conditions no so. Bail conditions na eba no e be ne say.
Okay. Bail condition bi ono mama say report. E bi almost say every week report at Heathrow Airport. Croydon.
Liverpool Street them say
Beckett House.
Beckett House, yeah.
That's it. Everyone almost say man nye juma.
No.
We need quick. And at this point, my mention go for say answer na again over my obi bail no. But they can't just say one. Say what chanker for the Paconin cartel now untumi mfa na nkofia na o money bail. So what I say. And this is here no. Ni Pacon untwa na cartel wa money bail so on some report. I didn't to me now the yes argument.
Say a condition.
Yes, but the condition is that you only impose the normally national by be bail no. Just any background in crata no putan. I say. And I'm saying now a be a one untumi mfa no nkofi because the background no what can crata no or there are lodge application to appeal to the tribunal, immigration tribunal. Then I'm saying well lodge appeal to the immigration tribunal no. And now I'm not quite my own fan coffee. And to also want to be keeping on that detention. To hear the woman pay.
Bail.
For 14 years. And the Pacona woman bail no. Na crata already no, I say. Now, to me, Ben, I was say, Oba you being crata, the go on. Already my country go for say, Sir, me tumuli na ma chesi. Sir, examination no. Under paragraph schedule 2, paragraph 16 of the 1971 Act was say it must not exceed 12 hours. And do you mean you be time from more than 12 hours? At the examination away. Won't try and crack time. So now cases are made sometimes about trauma. They just go around. I have previously explained. At the end I explained. What you say?
All right, lawyer. And say conditions they didn't work on. Say many juma over reported. Is it come from only GPS abeka home?
Tagging.
GPS tagging.
That's right.
GPS tag abeka home. And I think say like you didn't have any request to public fund in a way.
That's right.
That is we see some class or no.
Yeah.
Or more because mostly some of me service users no. Be a refer more to food banks and other places and when you're doing so your charity organization be I know you're not for clothing means animal. Because of a bit of family. It is a finance customer be a problem. What I say because the source of income be a when you seek a free what you have.
Yeah.
Also want to make benefit.
Yeah.
What if someone to make not just say almost it is even charity ground to make you grow.
Yeah.
So no work, no matter whether voluntary or paid. What means status are on the conditions.
Criminal.
So what to make it to be brave, but the fact is, and I said the woman say at the associate but meet your English version. Who say you know akwanya biaba and as a case is biaba nkrofo renient because of that in so say impo yema obi bail no more this condition to so you betting overturn that condition until we there lawyer camera near Mr. Watie for suit or more sure so ya buteni chichi never case laws no ema example na etiefo ehunu epan abefa so imposa your friend say bail conditions no unlawful na if you the more you bet him overturning.
That's say before we kill it of comments. Yes, that's say the starting point in this say assuming say nipa kono one our system we try and got them one manipulate.
Yeah.
And I say when you're ready so didn't be fear manipulate because at the end of the day, you know, or two pound or ban cat and say, but my main fact point was as I'm about baby I will come. I mean fact point when I mean children of what they can, especially because I deal with the AC or EU family members. You know. I don't know say one of the questions about baby sir. But me the fact one the TNSA mechanical English version them. Who say Kruma say Tamana EU muno. Now E law what I say regulation 2016. Now regulation 16 no. There were various sections. Industrial regulation 6 for example or say say asa na obey you near which na tena kuma say no na waji wabusuani that is before Brexit.
Yeah.
Asa obey na tena kuma na waji wabusuani oyere ene o ma as an EU person ene oyere ma me na busuafo unuanom as a EU person even oyere nuanom na adini na obey na ajo ma tena kuma say na say we show say oyede we exercise are there for the CITI right. So CITI right no 4 areas now to me express no. One, we are Juma. Juma we are for Juma utuya oka we are Juma man. 2, we are self-employed one kasa we are Juma. 3, we are student or private medical insurance. See I say some condition ko na unlawful. Home office do utuya compensation amount of for subject to mutu. So unlawful treatment.
Okay.
4, we are self-sufficient. Who sika on beja ban sika enti say utumi emiti any of these 4 conditions na just say na utumi tena kuma say ona we no obusuafo enti na obi tu kwan na oba na mara ma kwan say what tu kwan oba na unyanya permanent resident no wo no waware EU ni no omutumi bisa o say ukunu na we na mata so kuma say ana because you know why. Under regulation 3, no, they call it say once you cease to exercise treaty right. For example, say who kununa na we no you know why or nya juma for more than 6 months or breaking.
Yeah.
And say utu pa na oba na so ka say ukunu ni krum ha say ya. Na just say wo ni nyina so bia as Ghana near our union to be in this country.
This country, yeah.
In Confucius, I did so. And that's how time no. A man of my own quite say, Home Office for an immigration officer. We didn't exercising this power, no. We made to stop.
Yeah.
No more child crater. Because we could not, we need to see. Was easy. Even you for Nankasa Puno. So more animals almost society to you. Polish for any year at
yeah.
Almost sleep rough in a coffee.
Yeah.
Because for you to be lawful in the country, no, and so what society treat you like that's the way you
yeah.
So now we are British now, go Germany, also so we the same time we you all must know what you matter. And after 6 months, no, won't you mention our people. Now, I did have a percent of Fubisa, more to pay a stop mo, yeah, Democrat, I feel Muslim. Cecilia, your fee EU,
yeah,
your fee EU, Nimono. Or what the man have share with the co-appendix EU. Now, Cecilia, I know you're more being crowded. Pre-settled status, no, a limited leave to remain. That ain't here, it a best room hammer. Or much also say, Sampo Utuquine, so when you're sitting out, Kuma say, Utuquine, or limited leave to remain. Now it's not one thing for 2 years, less than 2 years, sir. Oh, Babaka, on Katan and say it. Point number 1. Ukuna Ujana sono, so no sunya setna, and away now Ujana, so no sunya tetna, no pre-settled status, sir. So Utupana or backward on Unicum Hasia. Or no outside, could you stay outside for 2 years?
Yeah.
Now, so Ukuno, Anya indefinitely to remain, which is settled status now, under the current law now, would meet now outside 5 years. Then cut on say. Only after 5 years and cut on say. Now, many are new. Says I'm Rawi, and I see idea Duma. I didn't be a 2 pound or bar. Okachen and say, on Fanny Remla, and a new Kunumra. Now I didn't cut a good.
Exactly.
I'm rapping a mount quite say, and so just signed back on Kata and the Kuonum. I brought we are no longer exercising treaty rights.
Treaty rights, yeah.
Just in Asopia, you say, the only thing I will bet you and say, under paragraph 16 of Schedule 2 of 1972, over examination, 12 hours, you must give that person Kata to go. Now, let me check for trick I had a real. You were there for the marriage of convenience. Up to now, no. First, no, now we human. She see, no, or what they are back. Appendix EU no sumu. EU mran. Na manager say, so why are you no papa? Na je say, oh no, unkata no. Anya ware na genuine na ogina so ye enchi no. Eni se unya nkata no. Na so wanya mpu na se o mafa na was papa. Em na betuma ma kwan so betwum. And in go for your application these days, and I'm saying person the more to do from interview. I didn't hear. Or more friend interview no mun or cancer now no fun one. Or must about that pant or share or so cocoa, also agree. Lawyer. And I say, if you are mutim, what's a carpet or white or balance a blue, not just a moon monte, man someone more trauma or any papa. Yeah. Now, the entire home office for Uncle you, the entire home office for your more friend interview now, there no, I am focus too much. And I say, I'm more information. And the Gina so they say on Gratan. Because Emra Machi in actually say, Omuning so be say, on making us what they say on Gratan. So what to plan our bar. And you have the right, so on Casa. Or no yan examination, Fancata and Shelly said that I don't say what I for say. You can't have a woman from a issue man and or move check it.
Oh, no, the moment in the crowd.
Ube uno. Now, or my friend, who could know him, dear. Look, so besides of what I say, and you dear. What check a system, you can know your man settled status. What check here, a man pre-settled status. You can roll to me to Quayana, and then post or 2 quina if you know me to remember from her manner. So what's that is so beside us answer no beggars okay you are there na fako.
So so no mra.
Sir. Ube hu no enko ba ne sir. Na me nua ba na won popo na ko kan sem bebre. Case ameye. Obi One the Casano catch negation second say cannot quit. Na be bo kan ya so okay o chan krata ni
obetwam
asama yetemo no
na say akra enu aba bi frame me na oye no person no kasa to tie ni nsem a wokana na chese nipa ne beduru na hopopo ne ade nte no ma wokana kra se be ma no kra anti krom abiem na ware ne kra nche da nya nti akofa asma ba afei na o fellow ye cha nti kasa ne de yesem se de lawyer kana si timete so pa okuduo na se bibia ayena untimi nkasa ya omode ase obefre lawyer no kasa obeso no lawyer ekasa ekwanda ho okasa ekwanda ho ntino omema kwa ma no lawyer akasa ma lawyer be kasa ma because du hon mo wa na wakoka de yenka omoso mo toto no na fi akofa asmaba lawyer ibeto aso na ma me ready a disclaimer kakra na amanfo ehunu de eko. All right, we are CITI Media, a disclaimer. Legal our Jumadi de Bremono, Brofo. Also, the opinions and advice in this video are intended for general information purposes only and should not be used as a substitute for professional advice. CITI law solicitors and the authors or presenters are not responsible for any direct or indirect result arising from any reliance placed on videos, including any laws, and exclude liability to the full extent. Inti the attorney say advice edima mu advice a ewo mremu. Nenso so no advice edima o simple ubenya emra ne ho nimde for one kasa we use. Na untimi mfa nko gina nkrata so and say enko e chinchina chinse CITI law for na akanti no me dem so udu baby na pese CITI law for ebe she abde na wo ye no asema wo na omode nkomo sasha ase se omuni take responsibility there ene na wato nsa afre wo mo ado de kwa na obetimi aba be ya mam na CITI law we come for amobia because nyina ye nim CITI law solicitors you say obi si torodo matwa said the lawyer ete ha all kind ene said the bia oba be chechire mu no na chese onhia any further bia mo kasa munnim de otimi ye especially mo de o masma be da no ene e phone lines ma for friendly dance about the firm ene ono kasa ni pedia said you see bo nipa ene e dimi na no na chese bibia boko ubewini. It is always o machi akwan omo unit 113 back in Enterprise Center 50 Cambridge Road back in SS IG 11 8FG. Telephone number from Benyaun 020 33 55 0782 020 33 55 0782. CITI law for abbe kuku down ewo immigration law pa de na ye nyina immigration law omo ye kuku down efa employment law and also so say the BI ba ne be employment law no katrabina e ka bibia no omo ye excellent. Family law last week ye family law enti ni nyina no ade a omo ye be bia no omo license kese se omo timi jono representative. Personal injuries and clinical negligence. Simple wapra wako adwuma wapra wanyaka kwanhia ana simple clinical negligence wako hospital na so operation mo use bibi no mo ye na omaye mfomso na ama akodi dembi wo ho no ni nyina de beda mo a ombeji compensation kese ama na commercial disputes and civil litigations, housing law, consumer law, media and entertainment law. Iti eba emremu dia ni nyina law no na chese CITI law solicitors and they say wodi wadwuma koda mo. Iti lawyer Thomas si Lucy kasa si Lucy wa hombrase beto no boase achichi mo no bebo ama legal matters ni nyina no wadi bem. Enti atie for ni ahwefo ne lawyer ne ne wo ha no wato no boase a o cheche emranum ama yehunu de ekoso. So brim say nipa kakra ba or me mamu nyina shout out na fi ya toaso. Okay, okay. Yeah. Hey, Nana Duma hey, Nana, the mommy nearby. Hey, me nearby, the mama. Nana, to say, was it sister Takra Mary Akosa? Yes, Mary. Mary is in the UK now. Mary is in UK. I just say, on incredible, more chilly with us. Even Nate, the day has landed. Hey, original the day. The day on catch it and say, yeah, one time, but more than bra. All right. Josephine, I say, God bless you and lawyer, Papa. Thank you very much, Joe. Doggy, Ajeni Boateng, DJ Doggy. Doggy is watching. Doggy is watching. If me upon, I say good evening. Good evening to you too. If me upon, Mini Abema, Kwesi Apia, Yana, Kwesi O Ghana, and the church up, Kwesi, Libya also, Uni and the Shibum, you say, oh, share by now. T. I don't for ultra way now. Mama shout out, not just say, Jumediano, Akoso. Lawyer, my question is say, Simu PBMO. Simple, why explore you the other way? If you go in general, any you for now, acquire normal bail, but make us any panel crata na ya revoke. And I say, or more catch and say, condition way no untiminy, you know. You call remedies, a basana, a quabena of a faswa. Any condition biana e was so a big deal and I say M1 or no obetia challenge that condition.
Okay, thank you. Minu Chaka. Then we have a baha mekase utrumia metrese. Na the tiene say emrano kuma emrano yeduma baba. Na say emrano towa na office emrano enchele home office for so idiomo.
Yeah.
So idiomo anka enfa case in contract na yanku muni wo no. Now the TNS say, now say we are you be familiar. There is a case will be the case is Yusuf Abubak. Or you will be what did who Yadina Kotum.
Okay, criminal.
Yes, but Yadina Kotu Fiase. This is a very new case, a high court case. I was heard in the Strand Court of Bay. And you know, May 2022 no more case about out. The TNS moi ya de be conditions atom mo ayin twa mo kata mo yesema mo nya adwuma. Who are right to damages? Because the home office e breaching rana na affect wa. Who are right the feno malfeasance of public office. I say ominia ni ku ye de tumi ahye wonsa.
Yeah.
Who power say what your report Emma Ubu on Mouse, Sunny Pay, Mamma in P. And I say, a man a curfew, must say, man attack. The third man, one in ye, Nancy will be a won't quatreno, and I say, will be a moon bush and I say, why need money yintino? Wow, Gina, why my biano, which is acting public officers, or committed what they call misfeasance. Now, that case, which they say, if I queer chilling. Your baby deportono. COVID time 2020, plane to Ubia and Copa Pia and Tenya them with you at deportono. And a probation officers are my report to say, Saba be an bushman for no. And I'm saying, no committed crime, my man and them corner. Sir, in today night, the man, remember, I say, last year, big conditions, as squeezes them no. Not just say, at this point, no. Say, the man be no need a bill qua, why the man dying, a buying.
Yeah.
It let's say home office for a provided accommodation, no money pay no. Because I 7 sentence a week, and amount to me and deportation.
Yeah.
Now we, and diamond no. We can we so that said your yajin go from Krata go on more, yeah, true more, or more deep, excuse my language. We can we sa quantity them. Will be about 7 sentences every week. Not just acquire the force improvement. Oh, my man, dying for a long time, because COVID time, no, but them I qualify for bail, but I say home office for provided accommodation. Now, immigration judge, you know, and to me granted bail. Because someone provided accommodation, judge, you know, and to me and granted bail. Now, we know the call high court to say, because of that treatment, you know, home office for Atomra. Within you. Now I just say a buying it to damages for treatment and what amount 17,500 and I almost say about 3 amount. The legal cost and count normally the case court name when here legal cost not can be sometimes be about 200,000, 100,000, 50,000 depending on the complexity of the case.
Yes, yeah.
Now, so looking at this case, say what put down crata. Now say home officer jar to one. Now say almost a man year juma. Now every man to be a 2005. Now one year juma because in the corner I can cut an at one, won't him do I cut at one. And he said, let's say, Kaka can't get a baby about 5 months time, I don't cut. Not just say, Sassy can I wash it in now, which we didn't say cases so.
Exactly.
Eddie Clemu say, a pine I'm a word with Susika. Because the immigration officer, one family and 9 year juma,
that's right.
What is Susika? And you should be entitled to damages. And to weigh your remedies, a woman of war, Potocas and Mobecase, a bind and say 3 hours compensation or damages to these people.
Like when they work as papa. Because as someone working on KCB, I may the same, a similar pepe and nipano. We need die, we need accommodation.
Yeah.
In terms of you may also know the evidence of neighbor.
That's right.
You will be a suitability check.
Yeah.
Your question, I don't know, but we need be. So, it's not say if you can see him for any money be.
Sir.
And any panel them. Or that's what them. But if the panel lawyer say you're unlawful.
That's right.
Or say you're unlawful
that's
because
right.
What you're or you're eligible for bail.
Right. Yeah.
Say but because of say the money you know, the same panel say you know, lawyer they be me.
I claim compensation.
I claim for time I want them you know.
That's right.
And that's why you know so can see a pan just my work no. I'm saying the kwan so no. And therefore say the lawyer e can obahanma otumre na wa chase. Like I say, I talk fact, I don't talk fiction.
That's right.
There's some remedies are a war no. Simple, young conditions be na enye, and as a condition no ento asomo brabe hu city law for ombehwehwem emra kwan so no say omo challenge na yi condition free ho a ye be yama we can cheche madwuma especially employment there a wa cheche mo no especially EU for no omo pass na say yes stop here
omo na ejom kata ni na
ya jin kata ni free
kata abra ya no omo giri na
and then ya told the boss ya cheche mama ya wo say EU for no akonya kese pa eda ho ema ho enti especially say EU for no to kwan no musu obi a man 5 years bi to kwan na de yem hihya because onim so be dru pe wan we ya na akofa asmaba so
Edikan to almost a woman and you retain right.
Exactly.
Retain right and not say just say when you was so now I retain right or be any come beside us in be a so to find out back. Sir. Now say I'm found man so now say I don't cut out to no so and so bad. You be job what they am.
Yo. And the lawyer and say maybe be a phone lines no atom na obi a o hwe bia no question bia o pese e che wa adwene ana bibia no betime e de aba na che say ya ma lawyer answer o wa hide o be answer na ma bibia akoso pepepe enti me be phone lines na atom na afei well just so mama it is here for not just say I don't know yo me omo saba so bi msisi a me acknowledge omo obibini techi or say MC Chaka and Lawyer Thomas, more grace to your elbows. Thank you very much obibini techi, thank you. Na also say that I say o hwe Richmond Boateng watching from Ghana. Thank you very much, Richmond. Say, Ushe Jumedie. And therefore, it is our brain. Maybe phone lines no atum. Say, Ushe screen is what number no na ichegu or no studio number no and on maybe bo ama or more yena afraid. The question be out maybe I don't know bisa. Or number there 079 3293 4518. 079 3293 4518. Now the toss will be 074 4033 8623 074 4033 8623. Enti yabie lines no atum mon friend. Na question be how are the question be it shouldn't just be immigration. It might be not just say we are who a yama. Me lawyer be a chama mom for friend. No, I'm saying appear Samuel. It be a question be. Or say please, the students switching to tier 2, can they travel and come back without interrogations at the immigration for not attending the school?
Maybe I want to. That's a we diagro. I can't go school to quay. What can't I would him say trouble? And no quay for.
Oh, that's what switch it.
Well, so I switch it there and so I switch it there out to me.
What's what switch it?
The question is,
was it please the students switching to tier 2?
Yeah.
Can they travel and come back without interrogation at the immigration for not attending the school?
Well, the point is that say one switch from one visa to another.
Yeah.
Now say in trial visa, man I could tell was switching. Now I switch successfully there, and they occupy now bar. Man baby say was because remember I say if you are switching from a student visa, or switching to become either a spouse, and I say oh switching now I prefer care for DB. And as I also chase be our engineer or be sure for mom say, or you skilled worker. So as long as I was switching successfully, no, who took my now, now so we man our best of valid. Yes, or make me examination to be sure so person valid,
yeah.
But they can't keep you more than 12 hours. And you know, which me took mine. Now say, one go school, no, na say was switch here, only problem.
Yeah.
But the one go school now one switch, na say who took my idea. I say we checking we say obesa no. Valid that na say took my.
Okay, Etibinia appear Samuel, meaning say lawyer answer question no. Enti not just say I don't know. It is for a sermon phone lines no ye be atum. Wa o question be ama lawyer be no. Ubetimi abusan sisi ya. Eni kwa say ye a topic ipe. And I said, be immigration, no, say employment, to say, maybe I will be no, wait me, a busan question. Lawyer, I mean, be at the question be at to my name, say, Musa, Nam so rain, see, when you say question, way there, what you did your own program, but for the benefit of more training or non cassentino, Kawan, some American budget. And he said, or 2.5 year route no as a parent of a British child. 2.5 no. Na wako third one, or fourth one. Na ubisa say fourth one, wait me ako indefinite na. Na me come kaje say say we dey nkoko oje the second one we na nko qualify crowd. But then me pese uyi ano na or show na afi one team free one.
Well, parent route no, omo for a start, omo do beto 10-year route so.
Yeah.
As this as open so young in Tema, over switch it. What's a 5-year route? And I don't just remember 5 years ago. Remember 2.5, 2 times. Now, why do you indefinitely live to remain? Because we are switching to 5-year route. So, one yes, sir, now I got 3 times, sir. Once such a year, I say we'll go to the fourth. After the third one, we will now go fourth, which is 10 years, and now to me, I will indefinitely to remain. But remember, as you see, our applications there, and be there 8 months, we do the bear 1 year, we will make a decision. Paragraph 3C, right, 1971 Act, HSS, all the application 2 months, and they will not them science and make a decision. And the BNA 3 hour corner. We share intervening period now. Anytime you could be an other office work. I check a credit. You didn't have boom. Remember, I say 10 years lawful resident platform. You say, yeah. We didn't have boom. They do 10 years lawful residence, which may apply. I said for indefinitely to remain.
Okay, that's fine. Intimidia, I'm so question a lawyer answer no. Say no, as all calculate. Tis a calculation. Yes, also bet me. It is all buffy. Na lawyer no trans no chirichomu or calculating amount. Just idea not say we are called the fourth one. Because in Koji second one now it's like a switch. But what third one it no I too late me boy.
That's right. Even most of just take and you see people 5.
Aha.
So the first one and I was switching.
Exactly.
Who be my advice? One year and they was actually I'm starting switching. So the bay on no stay on the 10 or stay or you move straight to 5.
So switching it only pie.
Yeah.
Timo more star route no. Would you first one? Would you second one? We now ultimate switching.
That's right.
Now why and train cogitated one in Yazana fee. We just you are not so to the final. But said the lawyer can and Chichimu say, wait me actually one from time one, maybe about 10 years about there, and you're not say, wait me apply under the 10-year, route no. No. You are different here, show me say I'm a friend. Now, lawyer, answer now. So, being young Freya, final submission, they went to Yanka, and then they were kind of a bono, tougher, Amaya, Pianibaji.
You, the kind, I did we have a power because, yeah. And they say anything. You for the way I see a normal super interview, you see. Now, you know, so I am one more. I cried there more so. Yeah, no, we can cut any. Yeah. Now, as a fact, right?
As a film.
Yes, a film. You do more boy. Now, city lord, yet 10 beer and I can say, Yamen wish any. The football man for no time be free of charge. Na omodi bi apo mo bra. Enti se wo tie me na so onu mi bi tu kwan atunifo. Na se wo tie sa ansem we su bi so a wo ba so a wo betimi di bi agina so e da atwitwa age wo ho. Se won ti me atwitwa age wo ho na se ja wo hu asem kana wo hia lawyer dia e wo ha se beboa. Won so ya age mun ka ta gu ono na se ya case bi abisi mani. Chaka. E ya roho. My many ban, remember, the last mechanism, be the conqueror flower. See, na Yadin Kata, Aman was he, you family member, our last case I may, or do one almost stop on Homogen Kata, so we try 2 times on the cat, on pushing cat on a prayer. If I call my man family payment to be doing some application, and man say, so your application would be for interview. On your application, I'm now friend for interview. Examination is so to me as a cat and only do room. That is the only power you have at that point.
Cannibal.
Sir. Now, my me education about 20 chaka. Ya getting cat out to one of them. Since 2018. How many years now? Obi our
4 years.
Obi our about the cat 6 months or the room. Ya getting cat out to one of them. If I go see and so 24 so for the children, or young cat and not one for 4 years. As some maybe 7 times look, cat and our email now I see. The same problem with the gentleman, you 2 times, not within a cat or pen. I think now cat and their mouth. We jam a home for 4 years.
Oh, good years.
Now to come was in our own to be yet. And he in some cost will come, I see. Now, so what's answer me be a dear one must say a better. Sir, you may ikusu a year one, you almost work on a damn for my ram. Which one crown or moon will be at the end of that. So, and tea can say, and somebody they have a trip, move up into Mofo. Now, Yamia Domus one next week in so. The echoes will be a local be Yabram.
You know, that's it. Nana Yao Flokin. Nana, other Union Flokin Stone Nana. Was it please? Those students switching Tier 2 visa, do they need to show an amount of money threshold to be given the visa? Do the partner or dependent involved also need English language test to qualify?
Yes, we switch here. Obviously, dependent doesn't have to show English, but main applicant has to.
Yeah.
And depending on the kind of certificate of sponsorship for my issue, he may have to show financial requirement if he has not been here for more than a year. So sponsor no issue, in accordance with say, or be taking responsibility. No financial requirement is required.
Okay. All right. But then say we stay here for over 1 year.
No financial requirement.
Yo. Nana ya Flokin, not just say question no na lawyer answer ma partner no any can say show English bia na say one kasa no so what stay room have for over 1 year no financial bia but then sometimes and mostly Krabuana sponsor na kasa no as part of the certificate of sponsorship no take say or taking care of maintenance and everything until not just say no you are covered. But all bank statement now see Canada was cannot cry amount name say
1,270.
Well, them 2,000 them. You must say walk a crowd. Why nana? And lawyer answer a question. All right. Dixon Inti. Oh, hello Dixon. Yes, Dixon. I'm on for. Was it great show and thanks for educating us. Big ups, Chaka and lawyer. Thank you very much, Dixon. Dixon, over to me, Gawate. You're trained. I'm a number be asset to over to me, Kana. Maybe referee. You are part of my list. It's not just said you know. Your lawyer. It is already. I'm say Breno. I be. You can find out where the Niger. Me sign out.
The kind. Yeah, the bias. Say Nana dream of a kind. Adiasa. And so when you marry at the my TA. Yes, I am sure. I'm a bambo. Emma. Munina. At the patching a china. Asada na edema munina yamisha ina
you are sedan na lawyer edema munina yamisha lawyer you said as DJ Papa Lupa indicates the papacy Papa Mechecha say thank you guys indicates the papacy my champion recanter my number 1 DJ Papa Mechecha Nana ya flocking or say for the tier 2 application within UK yes Nana and no one sem near can within UK one sem ana yeah, come on. Okay. It's me church Hackney FC4, me chairman nyina Kofida Moa Ura Tony Nana Kwame captain. Kwame Adoma Kobwate minia nyina Hackney 4. Me church nyina champon, me church pa champon ya me pro. Now face so all students of Frampe College amount for me church nyina mo Ghana ene UK ha. Afemiku West Side. One love. West side for Mechechi and Wasantima for West side. And Mampon Kontunchi Royals, Yanana as the chairman, or Hima Pukuya, the vice chairman, and they members in Mechechi Munina. And I feel V-Mates, University of Ghana, Vandals, come over for Mechechi Munina, Chief Lancaster, Righteous, Abuakes here, Raspoli, Mechechi, Pababia Shibia, and Vandals in Babia. Kokudela Mechechiao, congratulations, say what graduate Yadamia Bibia Ecoso, Ma Pepe. It for say, aha, and Yadi Medino, ABC. Now, Onyami Adba next week, another interesting topic, our lawyer, Ebesai Ediaba. It's Tuesday, about the English version. Now, Thursday, Yabe Pesemu, Ewo, Tree, from the studio of CITI Media. Mecheche munyina Mr. Leboko one oyere Mary Akosa ene nkrani nyina Grace Gloria Adoma Opune and the big boy Nana Sante Kukwa Sante Papa Mecheche munyina mo have a good time ewo Edinburgh Mecheche munyina yame adoma show bia da sende onyame nkamo no nyamadom mo bye.